teacher and all my dear friends. My name is Bhavya Monozikam and I am studying in 4th B. Today I am telling you a speech about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. This day is very special for all the Indians. This is the day when India got freedom after being ruled over by Britishers for more than 200 years. We celebrate this day with great joy. The Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort in Delhi. National anthem was also played. Before the speech of Prime Minister, a salute of 21 guns is also given. Military band plays our national song. This historic day reminds us of many brave and great freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives to win freedom for our country. We must take their examples and struggle and work hard to maintain our freedom. It is a day of national holiday. Everywhere in markets, only patriotic songs are played. In school, we celebrate Independence Day with our great energy. The principal hoists flag and scout band plays national anthem. Sweets are also distributed among all of us. Thank you.
My name is Rashmi Miller. Today I am performing Jijamata. अंगणातील तुळस, गोठ्यातील गाय, घरातील माय, त्यांच्याकडे वाकड्यानं जरी बघितलं तर त्यांची गळ केली जाणार नाही. उचला ह्यांना, घेऊन जा, गदर कापा ह्यांची. जय भवानी.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन. तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल
वक्त मुश्किल हो गया, सरफराशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। जय हिंद, जय भारत, थैंक यू।
माँ की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी, जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
Good evening, sir. My name is Riyan Chandrakant Sarkar, Standard 4B, roll number 31. I will tell two words about Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad. His father's name was Motilal Nehru, was a prominent lawyer. He received his earlier education at home, but moved to England to pursue higher education. One are returned to the country again in 1912. Thank you, sir.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन